Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll see a lesson 2 in module 9, overview of a script documentation. So in any scripting, adding comments and help documentation, will make it easier for others to use. Basically, comments are used to explain what is happening in different parts of the script. So in this lesson, we'll see some of the following objectives, like how to document a script by using comments and the demonstration, and then we'll see how to add help information, and then we'll see the demonstration for adding help information to a script. So first we'll see using comments to a document script. So the term comments are used, in the text we can put in a script to provide more additional information. So basically, comments are the text that we can put in the script, which will provide, additional information about the code that we are using in the script. So even using these comments are not a technical requirement, but this comment make the script easier to understand. For example, we can include the comments that would describe what a variable is used for, what task a loop is performing, and why a task was performed in a specific way, and the end of a set of braces for a loop. So the initial goal for including the comments would be, to provide enough information for someone if they are referring the script, and they can also understand how the script works by referring the comments that we put in the script. Even if we are using the script our own use, it is still better to put the comments so that we can refer it in the future in case if it require any modification as well. We can also use the scripting the comment section for troubleshooting purpose, because when we run into any issues on the script, we can place the comment in the script that stop the code being executed, and in that way we can just isolate part of the script that is generating the errors. So we'll see next a single line comment and the block comments. So single line comments defined by the pound symbol. If we place the pound symbol at the start of the line, the PowerShell does not attempt to process that line, so it will just skip that line wherever we put the pound symbol in the starting line. So for a single line, we can just put the pound symbol followed by the the words that we want to mention. But in case if we have multiple lines that we want to include in the comment section, then we can use the block comments, where we have a large section of the code that we wanted to comment out, or the large amount of text we want to include in the comment section. So in that case, we can use the block comments. So for that, it will be start with the less than symbol and pound sign, then followed by the text, and then we can use the end as the pound symbol and a greater than symbol. Okay, next we'll see adding help information. So basically, to make our script functionality more discoverable to users, we can configure the help information in our script. So the help information is placed at the top of the script in the block command. so that the block command ensure the PowerShell does not try to process the help information, and it keeps, but anyway it will keep the help information discoverable by using the get dash help command line. So basically for any PowerShell command line, we can use the get dash help command to get the help about that particular command. So in similar way, we can use this get dash help to get the help for the command that we specify. So we need to follow some of the parameters and the syntax to to write the help information. So we will be specifying it using the block command, which will start from the less than symbol pound sign and followed by the text and end with the pound symbol and greater than. And within this block command, the keywords define the section of the help information. For example, each section that start with the period and the description synopsis. So we you can see that we put the dot and followed by the description or the parameter or example. So we need to use this kind of syntax when we use for the help information. So let us see a quick demonstration for this get dash help information. Let me just log into one of the VM. So here I'm going to run this script. Okay, so I will be using this script to show this demonstration. So here I have it start with the lesser than and pound symbol, and it end with the pound symbol greater than, and I have the synopsis description, which everything start with the period and then the respective explanation for that. So let us see by executing this. So to use the get dash help that we usually use for all the PowerShell command line, we can also use it for this as well. So here I'm going to run the script. Okay, so if we use the get dash help followed by the per script name, it will just display or provide the help information about the script or the command. And also if we wanted to get only the examples, so what would be the example, how to use it by running this command. So for that we can just use the dash example parameter, and to view all the help information we can just use the full parameter, so that it display all the information in the PowerShell prompt. Okay, so that's it. In this lesson, we will see the lab session and the remaining lesson in the another video. Thank you.